Hey guys, check out this awesome custom K5 Blazer Restomod built by Velocity. We're going to really quickly go through the main features of this vehicle. Let's start with this paint. It's a custom blue based on a factory GM blue color. Really nice, very striking, really deep gloss paint, very, very nice. Other color that you're going to notice on this truck, of course, is all the chrome elements. Side mirrors, door handles, the chrome trim in the middle, bullet hole style wheels, lots of chrome elements. So those are the two colors, blue and silver for the chrome. Coming down the side of the vehicle, you're going to see that the trim is the overwheel trim, which is a really nice option, very classic. And that trim follows all the way around to the tailgate of the vehicle. So tailgate trim, trim around your headlights. These are LED rear lights. You've got Velocity build badge, and of course, lots of space in your load area because it's a K5. Backside of this tailgate has been wrapped aligned too, so very usable every day. You can throw lots of luggage in the back, throw your golf clubs in there, whatever you need, it will get it done for you. As we go towards the interior, I want to touch on this 6-point cage. Full 6-point cage. This is a functional roll cage. It's not just for looks, it does work. You've got 3-point harness fittings in the back, so your rear occupants have got 3-point seat belts, which is really nice if you've got kids, as well as a full safari style top. So wind, rain, or the sun, which we get here in Florida, protected by that safari style top. Take a look at this interior then. You're going to see the low back seats, which are very, very classic look. And we've finished in this kind of brown material, really nice custom door panels here. You've got the powered side steps as well. Inside there for technology, you've got Apple CarPlay, brand new AC, Android Auto, all of that good stuff. Full Focal sound system too, which is really nice. These are trucks that are meant to be driven, they're meant to be enjoyed. Let's talk about the drivetrain. I know you'll agree that this truck looks good, but it doesn't just look good, it drives good too. That's thanks to a brand new driveline. LT1, so 6.2 litre V8 crate engine from GM, producing around 460 horsepower. Lots of low-end torque in a big truck like this, very important. 10-speed automatic transmission, the 10L80 behind that, again, brand new transmission, very reliable, very usable every day, especially at highway speeds. Disc brakes all round, it's important to be able to stop. When you can go fast, we all need to be able to stop fast too. So hydro boosted disc brakes by Willwood, lots and lots of stopping power there. Chassis in this vehicle, full falling coilover Roadster Shop chassis. What does that mean? It means this vehicle drives very well, especially at speed, especially in corners. This is a daily driving modern Restomod style vehicle.